Hey everyone, Joseph here from BlackboxMyCar. Here's our first look at sample footage from FineVu's newest Korean dashcam for the North American market, the GX33. Let's start off with some daytime footage. This is Full HD 1920 by 1080p resolution for front and rear recordings. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on everything FineVu. Let's check out some rear daytime footage. Let's move on to nighttime footage. The FineVu GX33 has a 2.1 megapixel Sony Exmor R Starvis image sensor in the front and CMOS image sensor for the rear. We've turned high dynamic range on for better luminance and contrast in the dark. And next, some nighttime footage with the rear camera. A cool new feature that we haven't seen in a lot of dash cams is the smart time-lapse function. With this, you can save more than 5 times longer without video loss or omission. Typically on a 32 gig SD card, you can record up to 236 minutes. Now with smart time-lapse, you're looking at 1,392 minutes without loop recording kicking in. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Be sure to use exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube to take 5% off your next dash cam. Shop now at BlackboxMyCar.com.